Subaru BRZ TS First Drive Review. TS is for Trackstar. When we went to California to drive the 2018 Subaru WRX STI Type RA, the Japanese automaker let us have a crack at another tuned model, the 2018 BRZ TS. The extra letters standing for tuned by STI, the folks at Subaru Technica International gave a warming over to the company's sole rear-wheel drive offering. Interestingly, the entire 2018 BRZ lineup benefits from having the TS at the top of the pack. One of the improvements for the STI tuned version is increased chassis rigidity. To account for the added stress on the body from its 18-inch wheels, the first-time wheels that large have been offered on the BRZ, the front and rear bulkheads were strengthened. That extra support makes its way into every BRZ, though, not just the TS. Special equipment with the TS Special Edition. Exclusive to the TS are a number of other parts to provide more responsive handling. Lift the hood, and you'll find the BRZ's usual strut tower braces bolted diagonally to the cowl in the engine compartment. This V-bar, as Subaru refers to it, includes a pillow ball on each brace that helps maintain rigidity while reducing vibrations. Subaru also claims this STI proprietary technology reduces yaw rates and quickens the response to steering inputs. Additionally, flexible draw stiffeners link the front suspension cross-member to the front subframe to further improve response to driver inputs. At the corners, the BRZ TS's lightweight 18-inch wheels are wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4 tires, selected by Subaru after extensive testing with the STI chassis tuning. Hiding behind the 15-spoke rims are a set of Brembo brakes borrowed from the BRZ Performance package. Tying it all together is a set of STI-tuned springs and sack stampers, which reduce roll by 18% and pitching by 15%. Visually, the BRZ TS gets some functional aerodynamic enhancements, as well as some design cues to set it apart aesthetically. Up front is an underspoiler to reduce lift, and STI cherry blossom red accents around the grille. In the rear, it gets an underspoiler, a bumper cover with more red accents, plus a dramatic dry carbon rear wing. That big bench, like that on the WRX STI Type RA, is adjustable to 2 positions to achieve the right balance between drag and downforce. Subaru says it's effective at speed over 50 miles per hour. Also on the exterior, it gets front and rear TS badging, black mirror covers and a black roof antenna. The fog lights are gone, replaced by STI fog light covers. Like the STI Type RA, the BRZ TS is limited to 3 paint color options, WR Blue Pearl, Crystal Black Silica, and Crystal White Pearl. Inside, the black leather and Alcantara upholstery features red stitching and the TS logo embroidered on the seat backs. Red seat belts match the cherry blossom red accents found throughout the interior. The TS gets its own instrument cluster, complete with a multi-function display borrowed from the BRZ Limited that can show a number of different performance readouts, including lateral G-force, accelerator and braking force, and a stopwatch, among others.